You have probably seen FPV pilots launching their drone at an angle and launching like a rocket. That's launch control. And if you have tried to do it manually, you know how frustrating it is. Betaflight has these features for years, but almost nobody uses it. Why? Because nobody explained it simply. Today I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to launch like a pro on your very next flight. Let's go. Connect your drone to Betaflight. 2 steps and we are done. First, we are going to the configuration tab. Set the arming angle to 180 degrees. Now save and reboot. Next, go to the modes tab. Find launch control in the list. Click add range. Now flip your transmitter switch to that position you want to activate. I use my top left switch. Drag the yellow range slider over that position. Hit save, done. That's literally all the setup. You are ready. Here's how to use it. Activate your launch control switch. Arm your drone. Now pitch your stick forward to the angle you want. Center the stick. The drone holds that angle perfectly. Now push the throttle up. The quad launches forward. Launch control is the one of those features which make you wonder why you didn't use it sooner. You've watched pilots do this for years. Now you are that pilot. If this helped, drop a like. It helps other pilots find this too. And if you want more FPV tips like this, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.